How to download Barclays bank statement from app. Hey everyone, in this video I show you how to download your Barclays bank statement from the app and how to access your paperless bank annual statement in CSV format. Let's get started. First, locate and open the Barclays app on your mobile device. Log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen and this will display all your accounts links to Barclays. Choose the specific account for which you want to download the statement. This could be your checking or savings account. After selecting your account, look for the Statements or Transaction History option. Tap on it to view your available statements. You should see a list of your recent statements, so to download a specific statement, tap on the statement you want. Look for the option that says Download or Export. If available, select CSV format for your download. To access your paperless bank's annual statement, scroll to the end of the statement list, where you should find an option for annual statements. Tap on it to view your annual statement, then download it in CSV format if needed. Once you have downloaded your statement, check your device's downloads folder or your app's download history to locate the CSV file. And that's it. You now know how to download your Barclays bank statement from the app and access your paperless bank annual statement in CSV format. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.